How to check Suitecrm version. Follow the instructions. Log into Suitecrm. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the About option from the drop-down menu. Wait for the About page to load. Look for the version number displayed on this page. If you have file access, navigate to the Suitecrm installation directory. Find the config.php file. Open the config.php file in a text editor. Search for the line containing Suitecrm \_version. Read the version number from this line. Check for any additional version details if available. Close the text editor after checking. Return to your terminal or file manager if you used it. Log out from Suitecrm if done. Thank you for watching.